So this is the Appotronics laser projection line. We've got a wide line of products here, ranging from 5,000 lumen on our partner screen here. Ultra short throw comes in an HD and a 4K model. We've got our F-series projector, comes in 7,000 and 8,000 lumen, WUXGA. All of the products are single chip DLP. On the lower lumen side, we've got some 6,000 lumen options in the D series and the M series, and we've got some higher lumen options on the 10,000, 13,000, 15,000 lumen S series and the 22,000, 26,000 T series. All of the projectors do come with a standard lens, excluding the T series, so that lens is included. We've got some great programs, very competitive programs, in the form of free freight and VIR programs, things of that nature. And really one of the unique aspects of the Appotronics is their ALPD laser phosphor projection design. Really produces superior color performance and color management. It's been tried and true, used in some Barco projectors as well as Cineonic projectors. Very long history, a very R&D rich company that's really perfected the laser phosphor design. So that's the Appotronics projection.